and coops, the way salt shoots and how to sell records like Snoop. I'm interrupted by a doorbell, 3:52. Who the hell is this? I gets up quick, cocks my shit, stop the dogs from barking, then proceed to walk. It's a face that I seen before. My nigga Singer used to sling on the 16th floor. Check it, I look deeper, I see blood up on his sneakers, and his fist grip the chrome 4/5. So I dip, nigga, is you creeping or speaking? He tells me C-Rock just got hit up at the beacon. I opens up the door pitiful. Is he in critical? Retaliation for this one won't be minimal, cause I'm a criminal. Way before the rap shit, bust the gat shit. Buff won't even know what happened if it's done smoothly. Silencers on the Uzi, stash in the hoopty. My alibi, any cutie, with the booty that done fuck Big Pop. Head spinning, reminiscing about my man C-Rock. Somebody got to die. Clips, he explained our situation precisely, so we know exactly what we facing. Some kid named Jason in the Honda station, bragging was bragging about how much loot and crack he's stacking. Rock had a grip, so they formed up a clique, the small crew. Around the time I was locked up with you, true indeed. But nigga, let me proceed. Don't fill them clips too high, give them bullets room to breathe. Damn, what was I? Yeah, went out of town, blew the fuck up. D-Rock went home and Jay got stuck the fuck up. Hit him twice, caught him right for the Persian white. Pistol whipped his kids and taped up his wife. He figured Rock set him up, no question. Wet him up no less than 50 shots in his direction. How many shots, man, nigga? I see mad holes. What kind of cats? Hitchling cops and calicos. But fuck that, I know where all them niggas rest at. In the building hustling, and they gon' be strapped. Supreme and Black is downstairs, the engine running. Find a bag to put the guns in. If I'm on it, we're coming. Somebody got to die. Exchange hundreds of pounds before the throwdown. How it's gonna go down? Ladies, niggas, low down, slow down.